He's convicted of kidnapping and raping a Vallejo woman in a bizarre 2015 scheme that police initially dismissed as a hoax. Obviously, they realized that that wasn't the case. Matthew Muller, right now in jail after pleading guilty to some federal charges related to this.
And now he will be representing himself during next week's court proceedings in Solano County. Fox 40's Charmaine Nero is live at the Solano County Courthouse for us tonight. And Charmaine, you spoke to lawyers and the DA's office about the likelihood of Muller cross-examining his victims.
That's right, Nikki, Eric. The DA's office tells me that Muller has the right to serve as his own attorney, and with that means he has access to all of that evidence, including video, something lawyers I spoke to say happens but not too often when it comes to self-representation in the courtroom.
You don't see it very often.
Mark Reichel, a Sacramento-based attorney, says it's uncommon.
But I've been in court now for almost 30 years, and I do see it probably 3 or 4 times a year.
A man convicted for a 2015 kidnapping is facing several new charges, including rape and false imprisonment, and will be representing himself in a Solano County courtroom next week. Matthew Muller pled guilty and was sentenced to 40 years in federal prison for kidnapping. A lawyer for the victim says it's horrible his clients will have to come face to face with Muller once again.
He recorded his own crime. However, it is his constitutional right to review the evidence, just like an attorney would review the evidence. Of course, in this case, it's an objectionable.
The DA's office says Muller will have access to all evidence and says there's no reason to believe he's not competent enough to represent himself.
The law really is, the Constitution gives you the right to represent yourself if you can meet certain elements, meet a certain test of your competency. Then the Constitution applies to everyone and in every case, no matter how comfortable or uncomfortable it may be for witnesses or victims and so forth.
Well, I think the old cliche is true, right? When you represent yourself, you have a fool for a lawyer and a fool for a client.
Muller is being held on $2.25 million bond at the Solano County Jail. He's due back in court next Monday. Reporting live in Solano County, Charmaine Nero, Fox 40 News.
Charmaine, thank you.